Students, how are you all? Hope you all are good. Once again, you all welcome back in moral science video, children, and this is my third video of this week. Yes, children, and today in this video, once again, I will recall you this chapter 2, and the name of the chapter, Love God's Creatures. And then after, you all will do the answer in one word. Okay, children? So, hope you all have done the previous homework. So, now today you all are going to do the answer in one word. So, lesson 2, name of the lesson, Love God's Creatures. We need love and care for God's creatures. Love is a special feeling that fills the heart. When you love someone, you treat them with the affection and do little things to make them happy. So now let's start the story. Yes, in the beginning, Rohit was an unhappy child. You can see Rohit is very sad because he always thought, I have nobody loves me and I have no friends. So he was an unhappy child. One day a cat hid under Rohit's bed. Okay, so Rohit said, what? He said that, what are you doing under my bed? He thought it is very lazy, that's why it is not coming out. So again he said, what I say? I said, get out from my house. But soon Rohit saw that the cat had hurt its paw. So that's why what Rohit said, oh, that is why you are not moving, you have hurt yourself. So what Rohit felt sorry for the cat and started nursing it. Okay, children, and he gave medicine and he said the medicine will help you recover fast. Soon Rohit and the cat became what? Good friends. Became good friends? Rohit's heart was full of love for the cat. Before long, the cat gave birth to 4 kittens, and Rohit looked after the kittens with great love and care. Okay, children. Now and soon other children in the neighborhood came to play with the kittens. Rohit had many new friends. Now they all played together happily with the kittens. So at last Rohit felt happy because now he has many new friends and they played together with the kittens. Okay, children. Now after that you all are going to do the answer in one word. Answer in one word. First you will read the question nicely and just give the correct answers. So let's start. Like there is, how do we feel when we love and serve other children? How do you feel? Tell me. Yes, when you love and serve others. Why? Because love, we need love and care for God's creature, because love is a special feeling and it fills the heart when you love someone. You treat them with affection. It means love, and do little things to make them happy. So how do we feel when we love and serve others? We feel happy. So there you will write happy, HAPPY, happy. When we love and serve others, we feel happy. Okay, children. Now next, where did the cat get hurt? Yes, where did the cat get hurt? You can see. Yes, in its paw. Paw, it means animal's foot. Where did the cat get hurt? You will write in its paw. Okay, and then after Rohit gave medicine to recover fast, and also he started nursing it. So where did the cat get hurt? You will write in its paw. Now next, what should we give God's creature? What should we give to God's creature? What should we give, children? We should give what we need. We should give love and care for God's creature. Love and care. So you will write here love and care, because love is a special feeling that fills the heart. Okay, when you love someone, for that we do little things to make them happy. So what should we give? And when we love and serve others, we feel very happy. So what should we give to God's creature? We should give love and care. We should also take care of God's creatures. Okay, now after that there is, who became good friends? Do you know? Yes, Rohit and the cat. Yes, Rohit and the cat became good friends. Rohit's heart was full of love for the cat. Okay, and what before long the cat gave birth for kittens, and what he looked after the kittens with great love and care. So what who became good friends? You will write here Rohit and the cat. There you will write ROHIT, Rohit and the cat. Okay, my dear. Now after that, next one is here. How many kittens did the cat give birth? There you will write 4. Yes, before long the cat gave birth to 4 kittens. Okay, what kittens? Cat gave birth to 4 kittens, and Rohit looked after the kittens with great love and care. So there you will write how many kittens? You will say 4 kittens. Okay, now who had hurt its paw? Who had hurt its paw? Yes, a cat had hurt its paw, and so Rohit started nursing it. He gave medicine to recover fast. So what? Who had hurt its paw? You will write the cat. What is a special feeling that comes from the heart? Love. Love is a special feeling. Love is a special feeling that comes from the heart. So love, LOVE, love. When you love someone, you treat them with affection and do little things to make them happy. So what is a special feeling? You will write here love. We should love and care of God's creatures also, and when we love and serve others, we feel very happy, children. So now once again I am just repeating this question answer. At home you will write these question answers in your copy, answer in one word. Okay, children. So you can see, first, how do we feel when we love and serve others? You will write happy. Now, where did the cat get hurt? You will write in its paw, PAW, paw. What should we give to God's creatures? You will write love and care. Love and care. Who became good friends? Rohit and the cat became good friends. Rohit and the cat. How many kittens did the Rohit gave birth? You will write 4. Yes, he gave 4. The cat gave 4. Gave birth to 4 kittens, and Rohit looked after the kittens with the great love and care. Okay, children. Now after that, who had hurt its paw? The cat had hurt its paw. What is a special feeling? What that comes from the heart? You will write love is a special feeling. So children, now I have explained this chapter question answer very nicely. So at home, first you will read this chapter twice nicely. You will learn the word meaning, everything you will learn of this chapter, and then after today you will do the question answer in one word. Okay, children. So hope at last once again I would like to say you thank you for watching this video till end. So have a wonderful day, and bye bye you all.